Welcome to our channel, folks. We are going to begin our preparedness journey with an essential piece of gear. Our thanks to the good people at Radio Outlet. We placed this order early on a Monday morning and it was on our doorstep in 2 days using their standard shipping option. Let's see what we've got here. The Yaesu FT60R has a reputation of being a solid, reliable radio and will be the standard issue amateur HT for all members here at Whiskey Station. Operating Manual. Charger. I have no idea what this is. I guess I'll figure it out when I dive into the manual. Standard antenna. Battery. And the radio itself. Everything looks great. No blemishes or dings that I can see. Charger and cable for our base. We'll put everything together and let it charge. Across the chute, move and communicate spectrum of skills and gear, comms is where we have the most to learn here at Whiskey Station. It's hard to see here, but the radio is made in Japan. The battery is made in China. The battery slides in, and there is a retention latch on the bottom of the radio. The radio feels substantial and solid in the hand. On May 1st, in just a couple weeks, the Whiskey Station team will begin the general license course at AmericanRadioClub.com. If you haven't gotten your HEM ticket yet, become a member and take this journey with us. Comms will be a frequent topic here at the Sierra Hotel Tango Foxtrot show in the coming months. If you already have your license, check into all the membership benefits they offer. We'll let the radio charge while I go read the manual. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Yaesu FT60. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Whiskey 6, out.